70% of people sleep with their phone within reach. You know, people are more likely to leave their wallet at home than they are their phone now. And that's a huge personal connection somebody has to that phone. So if you can tie into what they're doing in their regular day, how they're normally doing what they do throughout the day, then you can create really interesting experiences that you never could create by just being on somebody's computer that they may be walking up to a couple of times a day, or they equate work with, or something of that nature. In mobile, they can be doing just about anything. They could be driving their car, they could be inside of a shopping center, they could be doing a number of things on mobile. People are trying to take advantage of context, right? They can try to figure out what people are doing based on how they're moving. You know, the car is a great thing, right? A lot of people have docks, they can put their phone in the car, and now you have a real context of what somebody's doing, and you can change the way your application may work or notify people based on things. If people are within, you know, a location awareness is also context awareness. So they know that they're close to where you are. You can use that context to maybe change your interaction with them. Maybe give them a push notification and tell them, hey, if you come into my restaurant now, you can save 10%, and they happen to be, you know, fairly close to your restaurant. So they may come in, you know, the time that somebody's there, you can kind of adjust because you know that device is basically with somebody all the time. It's amazing the amount of data that's already out there about you and out there about everybody. Mobile is adding another layer to that, and it's getting easier and easier to kind of mine that data and do interesting things. That's that context, right? And that's what people are trying to do, tie all of these different databases together, tie together that information they're getting from mobile, and create these great, unique services. Some of those services are like amazing, and you can't believe that you didn't think of this before, and other of those services just sit there and really scare you. Kids now growing up, they don't know how to use magazines. They're flipping like it's an iPad. They're growing up with this technology. You know, kids that are 2, 4 years old are getting these devices in their hands, not that they have them themselves, but using parents' devices, and it's just gonna be part of their life. It's gonna be what it is. And you know, as a business, as somebody trying to approach these consumers, you have to realize that and adapt. Mobile's just not another fad. In some way, the technologies around it, whether it's iOS or Android or what's going on, that stuff's gonna change, but mobile is here to stay. The way people are using it, people love that kind of information at their fingertips and having more data, and you're just gonna get more and more data about context and what people are doing and who they are as we grow. And as a company, you have to realize, how are you gonna approach that, and what are you gonna do, and when's the right time for you to get to doing it? Because, like I said, mobile itself is not going away. It won't look this way in 5 years from now, a year from now maybe, but it'll be here. And having a strategy of how you want to approach that kind of as a platform is what will keep you from making some of the mistakes that other people are making, and allow you to adapt as what mobile is kind of changes a little bit as we go.